We will discuss in the chapter acid, bases and salts. The first topic is dilution of an acid. How do we dilute an acid? Dear student, for the dilution of an acid, you don't add water in acid because the dilution is a exothermic process. Dilution is a highly exothermic process. It produces heat more and more when you add water in acid. So you always remember, you don't add acid water in acid. Okay, the best method for dilution of acid is, firstly you take water in a beaker and then add acid drop by drop with the help of glass rod and constantly stir the solution, and our acid became dilute. Because when you add drop by drop acid in water, the heat energy which are produced by the dilution absorbed by the water. But if you add water in acid, then the heat produced is not absorbed, and this case burning. You burn by the attack of acid. So always remember, for the dilution of acid, add acid in water drop by drop by using glass rod, as is given as in given figures. Okay, student? Dear student, what is a strong acid? You know that what is a strong acid? Who is the strong acid? Dear student, acid which on dilution, acid which on dilution completely dissociate to provide hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion means H plus ion when dissolved in water. Dear student, a strong acid is an acid which completely dissociate into their H plus ion on dissolving in water or on dilution. Okay, student? The acid who completely dissociate into their H plus ion is H2SO4. The name of H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is the king of acid. Okay, always handle with care a strong acid. Okay, student? The second acid is HCl, that is known as hydrochloric acid. Okay, and nitric acid, HNO3, is nitric acid. Dear student, when you dissolve sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid or nitric acid in water, they completely dissociate into their H plus ion in water. But some acid are not completely dissociate when we add in water. The acid when dissolved in water are only incompletely dissociated. Only incompletely dissociated to give H plus ion. H plus ion is known as weak acid. Dear student, a weak acid is an acid which is on dilution or on adding in water are incompletely dissociate, is known as weak acid. Here H2SCO3 H2CO3 is the example of weak acid. It is known as carbonic acid. Dear student, this acid is present in cold drink, acidated drink, that is H2CO3. Dear student, on dilution it dissociate into H plus and HCO3 minus. Here two hydrogens are present but only one hydrogen dissociated. So the dissociation is partial dissociation. In an acid in which partial dissociation take place, it is known as weak acid. Another, here CH3 C double OH, it is known as acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Okay, acetic acid, which is vinegar acid. Here, when acetic acid diluted, means when acetic acid add in water, it dissociates into CH3 C double O minus and H plus. Dear student, here 314 hydrogens are present. Number of hydrogens in acid 4 hydrogen, but only one hydrogens are dissociated. Means here partial dissociation take place. Here not completely dissociation. So this acid is known as weak acid. Dear student, always remember carbonic acid and acetic acid as weak acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid is always known as a strong acid because they completely dissociate into their H plus ion. But carbonic acid and acetic acid does not completely dissociate into H plus ion, so they known as weak acid. Dear student, now discuss basicity of an acid. What is the basicity of an acid? Basicity is the number of replaceable hydrogen atom present in a molecule of the acid. Number of replaceable hydrogen present in an acid is known as basicity of an acid. For example, dear student, here HCl is an acid. In HCl, one hydrogen are replaceable hydrogen, so basicity of this acid is 1. If basicity of an acid is 1, then you say that the acid is monobasic acid. Monobasic acid. Here HNO3 have one replaceable hydrogen, means basicity of HNO3 is 1. So it also say that monobasic acid. Dear student, here H2SO4, you observe here H2SO4 have 2 hydrogen, 2 replaceable hydrogen. So the basicity of sulfuric acid is 2. And when basicity is 2, then it say dibasic acid. That means sulfuric acid is a dibasic acid. Here phosphoric acid are given. Which acid? Phosphoric acid. Yes, friend, in this acid there are 3 replaceable hydrogens are present. Means the basicity of this acid is 3. When basicity of acid 3, then you say tribasic. For one basicity, if basicity 1, then monobasic. Basicity 2, then dibasic. When basicity 3, then you say tribasic acid. Dear student, I think you understand about the dilution of acid, weak acid, strong acid, and basicity of an acid. Dear student, in next lectures we are discuss the properties, the chemical properties the reactions of acid. Take a screenshot, write down in your notebook. Thank you very much.